Here is a sleeping budgie. This is Yoda, a rainbow budgie. Rainbow budgie means it's got different colours and mostly a yellow head. The apple on behind it. There you go. There's Yoda. Just having a bit of a nap right now. Don't want to get too close, I might spook it even though I look close. If I just take you around the back of the budgie, I'll just show you the colours of him. Or her, shall I say. It's got blue with like black and grey. At the front, pardon, it might have just had a wash. This is Yoda and he's got lovely colouring around the front. See, this is female. Tell me if I'm wrong or right, but I am 100% sure it's female. There you are. He's just having a bit of a sleep on his... This perch I got, if anybody wants to know, because probably someone's going to ask. This perch, I got it off of, I think it was eBay. And it was, I think, £3.94 or £3.95. And what it is, it's got different platforms. Sorry, it just moved because I just put my hand there. And it's got these, like, grinding blocks on here where they can grind their beaks. And it just screws in to the top of the thing there with a little screw. And then they just use it to sit on, or they can wipe the beak on it. They can chew it. It's just natural wood. Not varnished, not painted, natural. And these, because I know somebody will also ask, these here, I got these, I think, also either off eBay or Pet Store. And they're just rings that you can detach. And they just ring bells. And that is a rope toy. There is also one there. And this is a play gym I got off of eBay. I think it was about £9 or something. Comes with a little pull-out tray and a little perch at the top and feeding bowls. He's just eating some apple. Yeah, there is Yoda. Please like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.